If your focus is on, hey, I want to, I want to go through, get some help where someone can help me make some changes and I start feeling better. That's step one, right? And then step two is, hey, how can I get my body to be doing this by itself? How can I maintain it by myself? Do I always need to have someone, a healthcare practitioner, be treating me in order to have great thyroid hormone balancing? Depending on your answer, you'll have a different option, different options, different solutions. If you want to be able to have your body to be able to do it by itself, then you have to focus on restoring, not just taking a pill to do the conversion. There's even supplements that can help you with your conversion process. But once you stop it, the conversion process goes back to where it was before, broken. So that's not restoring your liver function. If you focus on restoring your liver function, like getting your liver to do what it's supposed to do, get your gut to do what it's supposed to do, then those conversion process will naturally start to work by itself, where you won't need to be dependent upon a pill to do it for you, right?